Hi guys, welcome back to Bike Update, your trusted source for the latest in the motorcycle world. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Harley-Davidson Nightster Special, a modern cruiser with a nod to Harley's iconic heritage. Timeless design with modern touches. The Nightster Special blends classic Harley-Davidson styling with contemporary updates. Its muscular frame, round LED headlamp, and peanut-shaped fuel tank evoke nostalgia, while the streamlined tail section and blacked-out finishes give it a modern edge. New paint options for 2025 enhance its curb appeal, offering riders a personalized aesthetic. Revolution Max Power. At the heart of the Nightster Special is Harley's liquid-cooled Revolution Max 975T engine. This 975cc V-twin delivers 90 horsepower and 70 lb-ft of torque, offering plenty of punch for city streets or open highways. The engine's low center of gravity improves handling, while its variable valve timing ensures smooth and efficient performance. Enhanced comfort and ergonomics. Designed for both daily commutes and weekend rides, the Nightster Special features a mid-mile control setup and a slightly taller handlebar for improved ergonomics. The new two-up seat enhances passenger comfort, while the suspension system, with its adjustable rear shocks, smooths out rough roads with ease. Technology meets tradition. The 2025 model comes with a 4-inch TFT display, integrating navigation, music, and call alerts through Bluetooth connectivity. Rider aids like selectable ride modes, ABS, and traction control enhance safety and adaptability, giving riders confidence in various conditions while preserving the classic cruiser experience. Accessible and authentic. With a competitive starting price, the Nightster Special caters to a broad audience, from Harley newcomers to seasoned enthusiasts. It's an approachable entry into the brand, offering the perfect blend of classic style and modern performance. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Nightster Special is a testament to Harley's ability to innovate while staying true to its roots. A blend of power, comfort, and tech makes it a standout in the middleweight cruiser segment. Thanks for tuning into Bike Update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected for more reviews and insights from the world of motorcycling. Ride safe, and see you next time.